As we get deep into our summer holidays, Just Hands on TV have some great new videos to keep you busy. We start with a brand new episode of The Maker's Studio. This one features Edinburgh-based quilter and artist Lucy Engels, who chats to our expert studio guests and shows us how to create some wonderful quilt designs using very simple foundation piecing on freezer paper and her sewing machine. This month also features a lovely new interview with quilter and author Linda Seward, who has become a skilled naturalist and wildlife photographer and is using her wonderful pictures to inspire her quilt designs. Anita Birtles is back in the studio with her Scrap Illusions quilt, creating superb 3D designs using her lovely scrap crumb blocks. And our Tip Thursday for August features textile artist Dion Swift, showing us how she starts stitching her designs, which will hopefully help you make a start and avoid any panic. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.